Yes, dear children, now again here to see some more new topic related to our chapter System of Particles and Rotational Motion. In our last module, what we had seen, that is the moment of force or torque. Now today, my dear children, I am going to discuss some more new topic. First, I want to discuss, that is, what is the power associated with the torque. Earlier, my dear children, we have obtained the work done dW, that is in rotating a particle through a small angle d theta. For that we had calculated there the dW is equal to torque d theta. In the linear motion, that is the work is equal to force into displacement. If this work done in a small time interval dt, then dividing both the side by dt. dW by dt is equal to torque d theta by dt. Here, divide both the side by dt. Now, by the definition, dW by dt, that is the rate of doing work, is called power. I can write here that is power. So, and the d theta by dt is angular velocity. I can write here this is P, torque and omega. This is the formula. So, power associated with the torque, it is a symbol of torque. Power associated with the torque is given by the product of the torque and the angular velocity. Okay? The angular speed of the body. In linear motion, we know very well power is equal to force into velocity. Compare these two. Now, today's our important topic that we are going to discuss is the concept of angular momentum. The concept of angular momentum here. That is concept of angular momentum. In linear motion, I know linear momentum. Now, बच्चों हम पहले देख चुके हैं the concept of torque is the rotating effect. The concept of torque is the rotating effect. Is the rotating effect or the turning effect of the force. Is it clear? It is the turning effect of the force. So torque is regarded as a rotational analog of force. In linear motion में जैसा force होता है यहाँ torque है. According to the Newton's second law, what is that? Force is equal to the rate of change of linear momentum. Rate of change of linear momentum is directly proportional to the applied force. That is Newton's second law. So, if we can represent torque as the rate of change of some quantity, torque is the rate of change of some quantity, that quantity will be the rotational analog of linear momentum. वहाँ linear momentum था, यहाँ पर दूसरी quantity आ जाएगी, and it can be approximately or appropriately be called is an angular momentum that we are going to discuss. So I want to express torque as the rate of change of some quantity. Torque is the rate of change of some quantity and that quantity must be angular momentum. Again I am rewriting the expression for the torque rotating in a particle in xy plane that we know very well, that is the torque is equal to torque is equal to x fy minus y fx. ये हमने लास्ट मॉड्यूल में सीन. Okay, along x axis suppose the momentum is mvx, y axis mvy, px and py are the x and the y component of linear momentum of a body. These two components px and py are the linear momentum. Okay, write down. Then, dear children, according to the Newton's second law of motion, f of x, that is dpx by dt. Here, the differentiate of this d by dt of mvx, m may be taken common, dvx by dt. What is this? dvx by dt, here it is dt. It's a silly mistake. Similarly, fy you can write here, that is dpy divided by dt. That is d by dt of m into vy here. That is m dvy by dt. Okay, so this is the fx and fy. Substitute these values in our this equation, say 1. Put it there. So torque is equal to x, fy की जगह रखिए बच्चों m dv by dt, m dvy by dt minus y और fx की जगह रखिए m dvx by dt. ओके, तो दिस हमने यहां से ये रख दिया. देन टेक ए कॉमन m. जब m कॉमन ले लेंगे तो क्या बच रहा है? x dvy by dt. यहां से y dvx by dt. Now, using the rule for the differentiation of product. Differentiation of product, what is that? Dear children, we are going to see some trick here. And what is the differentiation of product? Here, d by dt of, I am taking here x vy minus y vx. ये मैं ले रहा हूं यहां पर क्यों? y vx. इसको लाने के लिए मैंने x vy ले लिया, y d, ये मैंने मेरी मर्जी से लिया यहां पर. अब देखिए डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स क्या होता है. व्हाट इज हियर द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स? डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट को कांस्टेंट रखिए, सेकंड का डिफरेंशिएशन करिए, देन सेकंड का डिफरेंशिएशन करिए, फर्स्ट को कांस्टेंट रखिए. तो फर्स्ट देखिए x डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ सेकंड d vy by dt हियर प्लस, अब सेकंड को कांस्टेंट रखिए, dx by dt. ये क्या किया मैंने? इसको पहले इसको कांस्टेंट रखा, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन किया, फिर इसको कांस्टेंट रखा, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन किया. ओके, नाउ अब इस पे माइनस, इसको कांस्टेंट रखिए, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन करिए, y dvx by dt माइनस, अब इसको कांस्टेंट रखिए, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन करिए, vx dy by dt. This is called differentiation of products. This is the differentiation of product. What is there? X dv by dt my plus vy, this is vx, rate of change of displacement, minus y dx by dt minus that is dvx here, ध्यान रखें, minus vx vy. This and this cancel. See that these two terms here, x dv by dt minus y dx by dt is equal to this one. Is it clear? So I can put there in above equation, I can write here what we are getting. Let us see. So here this is equal to d by dt of x vy minus y vx is equal to x dvy by dt minus y dvx by dt. See this equation. Substituting this value here, so torque comes out to be m d by dt of here x vy minus y vx here. Put m inside. ये जो m बच्चों यहां पर दिखलाया गया है x m vy d by dt of x m vy minus y m vx. ये इस m को मैंने अंदर ले लिया है. What is m vy? What is m vx? m vy, that is the momentum along y axis. m vx is the momentum, that is px. The torque comes out to be d by dt of x py minus y px. This is torque. So here the quantity xpy minus ypx is called angular momentum. This quantity can be represented by capital L. So torque comes out to be dL by dt. So torque is the rate of change of quantity L. Torque is the rate of change of quantity L. Now, so dear children, this L is the angular momentum of the body. This is the expression that we are getting here. This is expression for the angular momentum in a Cartesian coordinates. This is the expression of angular momentum in the Cartesian coordinates. So, angular momentum of a particle about a given axis is the moment of linear momentum of the particle about that axis. Now, we see expression for the angular momentum in polar coordinates. Now, we are going to see another article related to this, that is expression of angular momentum in polar coordinates. Here, angular momentum in polar coordinates. Here, for that I am going to draw the figure first. Suppose here it is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. O is the origin. Suppose the position vector of say any point K is R. Draw this. Suppose the point K, the coordinate at the point is x, y. Is the position of the particle say of mass m. यहाँ पर जो particle पड़ा हुआ है उसका mass m. And the linear momentum P here, rotating in xy plane about z axis. It is rotating in xy plane. about z axis. Third, let OK, you can see here, OK is equal to R. And angle XOK is theta. यहां पर क्या कोऑर्डिनेट लिए हैं? XY. तो कंपोनेंट हियर, it is component of R along this axis is X is equal to R cos theta along the axis, and Y is equal to R sin theta. जिधर एंगल बनता है उधर कंपोनेंट ये होता है. Now, at this point, say the force is F. Linear momentum, that is P. This angle is theta. The line of action of force is this one. This one. This is the perpendicular distance N. Here angle 90 degree. Suppose this angle is alpha. Here this position vector makes the angle with this force is phi. ये आमने सामने के एंगल है, that is phi. यहां पर x is equal to r cos theta. Draw the figure. Then expression for the torque in polar coordinates I am going to find out. Now, is it clear? Dear children, the component of P along this axis or along this axis, where the angle here is phi. Let the line of action of linear momentum P makes an angle alpha with OX, and the angle here is phi with R. PX would be here component of P along this axis. Angle is PA alpha, so P cos alpha, and PY is equal to P sin alpha here. Now, earlier our equation of angular momentum in a Cartesian coordinate, that we know xpy minus ypx. xpy minus ypx. x, y, px and py is there. Put all the values in equation this. ये चारों values जो हैं बच्चों वहां रखिए. x r cos theta, py p sin alpha minus y r sin theta, px p cos alpha. Here rp may be taken common. Sin alpha cos theta, sin alpha cos theta, sin alpha cos theta, cos alpha sin theta. Yeah. What is this? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, that is sin of A minus B. That is L is equal to, I can write RP sin alpha minus theta, A minus B. According to this figure, the theta plus phi is equal to alpha. Theta plus phi is equal to alpha. Interior angle is equal to an external angle. So phi is equal to here alpha minus theta. Put their values. Alpha minus theta is equal to phi. So my dear children, that is RP sin alpha. यहां से आगे alpha minus theta is equal to phi. This is phi. Yeah. This is the expression for angular momentum of a particle in a polar coordinates. किसमें बच्चों ये polar coordinates. From O, draw ON, that is the perpendicular to the line of action of P. तो in the triangle OKN. OKN. What is sine theta? Sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is ON, hypotenuse is OK. My dear children, I can write in this triangle sine phi is equal to ON divided by OK. ON divided by OK is equal to R. ON is equal to R sin phi. क्या देखिए आप. So what I can write? L is equal to P into ON. ये आ गया result. What is this? This is the perpendicular distance. It is a momentum. So angular momentum of a body about a given axis is the product of linear momentum and the perpendicular distance of line of action of linear momentum from the axis of rotation. Is it clear? So this is there. So this is the physical meaning of angular momentum. The unit of angular momentum are, here it is the linear momentum, kilogram into meter per second. Kilogram into meter per second. It is again distance. That is meter. So kilogram meter square per second. And the dimensional formula of angular momentum you can easily find out. M1 L2 T minus 1. Write down. Or in a vector form you want to write this. L is equal to R cross P. Remember that. L is equal to R cross P. Okay? Now, so dear children, this is all about today. Bye. Okay, take care.